Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Leonardo De Guerto. Tayo po ay mamimitas uli ng kamatis ngayong hapon. Noong 2 days ago, namitas ako ng kamatis. Nakapitas ako ng 4 na kilos doon sa 4 na puno rin. So nakakuha ako ng tigi 1 kilo bawat puno. Hindi lang yun, yung mga paunti-unting nahinog noong mga nakaraang week ay nagagamit namin na pang araw-araw. So ngayon mamimitas ulit tayo ng kamatis. Ayun, nakikita nyo ba yun, yung mga pula? Nag-iwan ako ng 2 puno yata yun at marami nang nahinog. So pupuntahan po natin. Samahan nyo po ako at mamimitas tayo, o kaya tawagin ko yung apo ko, siya ang papipitasin natin. Ang aking pakbet garden. Dinaanan muna natin itong talong. Namitas tayo ng talong dyan noong nakaraang araw. Ito po ang iniwan ko, isang puno pero ang daming sanga. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung mga bunga, oh. Nabali na yung tangkay, oh. Yung pa, oh, nabali, bumigay sa bigat. Dami kasing bunga eh. So yan po, isang puno lang pero marami siyang sanga. Kaya nga yung iba nung nagbubunga na tinatali ko. Saka maraming support na mga trellis ba, yung akyatan, para hindi bumaba sa lupa. Ito po, napitasan na ito nung 2 days ago. Nakuha na yung mga hinog. Pati yung cherry, nakuha na yung mga hinog. Saka doon sa dulo na yon, nakuha na rin nung 2 days ago. So ito na lang po ang natitira. So yes, can you help me harvest the ripe tomatoes soon? Ayan, dami talaga, oh. Siguro mga 3 kilo yan. Kaya ang nahaharvest sa isang puno, kung talagang aalagaan ng tama, pwede kang umani ng 3 to 5 kilos. Kasi malalaki po yan. Ayan, oh. Bunga hanggang itaas. May mga hilaw pa, namumulaklak pa. Ang dami talaga, oh. Right now I am with my granddaughter. She will harvest the tomato. Come, you put it there.
This?
All the ripe one? All of them.
That's what I'm doing.
Hold on, I'm gonna cut this one. Hold on, I'm gonna cut it. Over here.
This one.
Yeah. Some more.
Let me get this. Is that tomato
Okay. That one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah,
This?
all of them.
Okay. And now I got double.
Oh yeah, another one. Let's pull down.
Can't get it. Wait.
This one here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, what the other one was eaten by a squirrel. Okay, so
That's all.
another one here. It's pulled down. Could you please pick it up?
Which one? This?
This one.
Okay.
It's drop on the ground.
Are we almost done?
So yan almost. So hold it again.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we have.
So many tomatoes.
The fresh harvest by my granddaughter. She got changed her clothes because it's a little bit cold. So thank you, Abby. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my granddaughter. Alright, thank you.
There's so many red tomatoes.
Yeah, it's a lot of tomatoes. Alright. So maybe this is 4 kilos or more than that. Say it again, your YouTube channel.
Honey XT.
Huh?
Honey XT.
Okay, you want them to subscribe you? Yeah, she is my granddaughter.
Can I go inside now?
She started doing YouTube for kids. Like 2 months ago?
No, 2 years ago.
Huh?
2 years ago.
2 years ago? 2 years ago you don't have yet?
No, I do.
She said it started 2 years ago. So
daily.
please help her, guys. If you have like a kid's son or daughter, so you can subscribe my granddaughter's YouTube channel.
Put it?
So what can you say about harvesting tomatoes?
It's fun, but I'm tired.
It's fun?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, so we're gonna make tomato juice.
I don't like tomato juice.
Okay.
Well, maybe Lola can have it.
Okay. So sana po nag-enjoy kayo mga kapatid sa pinakita kong video. It's so heavy. So
yeah,
I think it's gonna be like 3 kilos.
I'll go put it over there.
Okay. So yes. Isusunod natin pitasin mga ampalaya. So we have a lot of ampalaya here. Ready to harvest. Itong mahaba at saka yung bilog. Magbibinhi ako niyan ng bilog at iuwi natin sa Pilipinas para maiba naman yung laman ng garden doon. Let's harvest the bitter gourd. Okay, look. Long one. Hey, look. Look, this is what I got.